All right, let's talk about everyone's least favorite subject, and that's pitching yourself as a digital marketer to clients. Hey you guys, Michael here from The Market Vibe, and is there anything more scary than pitching yourself to a client as a digital marketing agent? There's that, kind of feeling of like, I don't want to come off as spammy, as salesy, which is honestly what a lot of digital marketing agencies do when they are on Zoom calls with potential clients. And so I want to give you some real ways that you can talk to potential clients about why they should hire you as a digital marketer and what the benefits are for them, not just for you. So the first thing, obviously, is it's going to save them a bunch of time. You guys think about things that you're not skilled in, and then think about things you are skilled in. How much less time does it take you to do something you're skilled in than something you're not skilled in? A lot less time. And so people running businesses, they're not skilled in social media. They're just doing it because, they're bootstrapping their business. They're not really sure who to hire. They're just busy, honestly, doing all the things that they just don't think, hey, maybe I should hire someone for this. And so really painting the picture of like, how much time do you spend doing your social media a week? 10 hours. Hey, well, I could give you those 10 hours back and you could spend them doing something else. That's really powerful. So make sure to paint the picture of like, hey, I'm going to take this off your hands and it's going to free up all this extra time for you. The second thing is you just simply have more knowledge in whatever you're offering than the business owner. We'll just use social media as an example. Jill and I have been doing social media for 12 years. Most of the business owners that we work with haven't even been in business for 12 years. So think about how much more knowledge and expertise we have in things like Instagram, Pinterest, TikTok than they do. Most of them aren't even on those platforms. And so really setting up the fact that you're very knowledgeable, you're much more knowledgeable and skillful in social media than they are, kind of ties into the first one we were talking about as far as time goes. It saves them time and it saves them money because, they're not spending the time and the resources doing that. They're actually just letting you do that and you'll get a far better result because of how much more knowledge you have. The third thing, and a lot of people don't talk about, is zone of genius. And I don't mean your zone of genius, I mean their zone of genius. And so we talked about saving time as the first tip and talked about, well, hey, I'll give you those 10 hours back. Well, now you paint the picture of what they could do with those 10 hours. And so, if they run a business where they make candles, hey, how much more, product could you make in 10 hours, every week, 40 hours a month if you weren't running your social media? Oh my gosh. Okay, well, how much money would you make? And you start to paint a picture for them of, in actuality, because all they're thinking about is how much they have to pay you. With that extra time, they can make more product, make more money. And actually, in the end, they'd turn a profit even after paying you just because they have that extra time that they're not devoting to, they say, things like social media, website design, funnel building, the services you offer. The fourth thing is tools and resources. I mean, think about how many tools and resources we have access to as digital marketers, from things like, scheduling apps, to hashtag tools, to CRM software, all of these things that, we don't even really sometimes tell the clients that we're using for them, but they'd have to pay for all of those themselves. And so, a lot of honestly business owners, post natively to Instagram. They take all this time writing the caption in Instagram. But what you can say is, hey, when you hire me, you get access to all the tools and resources that we use, hashtag things to help you get better hashtags, copywriting software to make sure we're using the right keywords, but you don't even actually pay for that. That's all free and included when you hire us as a digital marketing agency. Just shows people that you're serious about the work that you do for their business. And then the last thing, and this might be the most important thing because you really can't put a price tag on this, is access to our network as a digital marketing agency. And so I would highly suggest, as a digital marketing agency, you start to build relationships with people, businesses, other digital marketing agencies, because when people get access to our network, they're able to create powerful collaborations that help build their social media. Get speaking engagements, get their products put in stores that they wouldn't otherwise get put in. And you guys, that's a really important thing as a digital marketing agency. If you can pitch the access to your network and have powerful relationships with people that business owners can then plug into, that makes you so much more valuable than the other digital marketing agency they might meet with, because like everybody knows that it's power in the relationships. And so if you have relationships to offer people that they can plug into, that makes you stand out above the rest. All right, you guys, so let's talk about the 5 ways to help pitch yourself to land clients for your digital marketing agency. So number 1 is to help them save time. Obviously, you can take that off their plate. That gives them the extra time to be able to do something else. Number two is you're just more knowledgeable in whatever it is you're doing. The social media, people are just doing it for their business because they have to, but that's your job. You're just naturally better at. Number three is it allows people to get back to their zone of genius. You know, how much more product can they make? They'll end up turning a profit in the end. You just have to paint that picture for them. The fourth thing is they get access to the tools and resources that honestly a lot of digital marketing agencies use that businesses don't even really know about. But the most important and the fifth thing is they get access to our network, which helps with speaking engagements, product placement, brand collaborations, so many different things, and access to so many different avenues that those business owners would have never had they not hired us as their digital marketing agency. So thank you guys so much for joining us on this video of how to land clients, how to talk to potential clients about why they should hire you as a digital marketing agency. If you guys have any questions, again, drop them in the comments below. Hit the subscribe button, ring the bell. We're doing 30 days of videos, so you don't want to miss any videos because these are all digital marketing and social media marketing videos on how to help you grow and scale your digital marketing agency or your business.